Have a look at this Trade Series plant trailer. Let's have a walk around it and see what's included. This one is a 3.5 tonne plant trailer, designed to comfortably carry machines up to 2.5 tonne, making it a really practical option for day-to-day trade use. Up the front, we've got a 1 tonne rated jack stand, giving you solid support when loading and unloading. It's also fitted with a spare tyre cover, neatly mounted and protected. Moving back, we've got the HDPE wear strips, which protect the steel and reduce wear over time. This one also comes with the full deck infill package, giving you a fully flat and usable deck. You've got front and rear side steps on this one, making it safer and easier to access the trailer. At the back, there's also a rear chains and straps toolbox, keeping everything organised and secure with everything right where you need it. Finish-wise, this trailer features a 2-tone colour scheme with texture black and Land Cruiser sandy taupe, tough, hard-wearing, and it looks great too. If you're after a 3.5 tonne plant trailer, built tough and suited to machines up to 2.5 tonne, this Trade Series setup is a solid option. Get in touch with the team at Ox Trailers if you'd like more information or a quote.